honest, guess I just ain't had a reason to clean it up till the night. And this old hat and these old boots feel out of place sitting next to you, trying to find lines I ain't used in a while. So don't take it wrong if I don't take your hand like I probably should. We're still a kid.